Welcome to Mr. Khan English Channel.
Oh my God, Emma? Is that you?
Emily? Is that really you?
I can't believe this.
I'm shocked too. This feels like a dream. After so many years.
Wow, you look so different.
And smiling, and you look exactly the same.
Oh, really? More confident now, right?
Still the same, Emily.
I had no idea you worked here.
Yeah, I finished my studies last year, and now I work in this hospital.
That's amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. What about you? What about you?
I'm a software engineer now.
Really? That's wonderful.
Yeah, big IT company.
Wow, we both followed our dreams.
But I never expected to meet like this.
Yeah, in a hospital room.
I haven't been feeling well these days.
Don't worry, tell me.
I've been feeling weak and very tired.
Since when?
Almost 2 weeks now.
Do you have a fever?
Sometimes, yes. And I get headaches too.
Are you sleeping properly?
Not really. Work is stressful.
You always worked too hard, even in school.
Yeah, some habits never change.
Do you eat on time?
Honestly, no.
That's not good, Emily.
I know. I ignored my health.
It's okay. We'll fix it.
I feel safe talking to you.
I'm your doctor now. But first, your friend.
I really missed you.
I missed you too.
Why did we lose contact?
Life just got busy after school.
Yeah, everyone went their own way.
Do you remember our school project?
Of course. We stayed awake all night.
And you said you'd become a doctor. You did it.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Now let me help you. First, we'll do some blood tests.
Is it serious?
I don't think so. It looks like stress and weakness.
That's a relief.
But you must rest and eat healthy food.
Yes, Dr. Emma.
Hey, don't call me that.
Okay, my old friend.
After your tests, let's grab a coffee.
I'd love that.
Hospitals give surprises sometimes.
Yeah, very true.
I found my doctor today. And my best friend, too. We're not losing contact again.
Never again.
I want to ask you something.
Of course, go ahead.
Are you married?
Not yet, still single.
Really? I thought you were.
No, my studies kept me busy.
Yeah, that makes sense. Being a doctor takes time. Do you live with your family?
Yeah, with my parents.
That's so nice. How are they?
They're good. They always support me.
I remember your mother. She was so kind.
She still is. She even asks about old friends.
Really? Tell her you met me.
I will. She'll be so happy.
So, what about you? Are you married?
Yeah, I got married 2 years ago.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you.
What does your husband do?
He's a software engineer too.
Oh, nice. That's lovely.
We actually work at the same company.
Do you live in the city?
Yeah, near my office.
That sounds perfect.
It's small, but it feels like home.
Do you visit your parents often?
Whenever I get time.
I miss our hometown.
Me too. Such simple days.
Remember the school park?
Yes, we used to sit there for hours.
Talking about everything.
And dreaming big.
And now, we're living those dreams.
Life really changed.
But our friendship didn't.
No, it still feels the same.
We really shouldn't lose contact again.
Never again.
Give me your number.
Sure. Give me yours too.
I'll text you right now.
I checked my phone. Got it.
Are you free this weekend?
I think so, yeah.
Let's meet outside the hospital, not as doctor and patient.
I love that.
Maybe lunch or coffee?
Perfect.
No stress, just talking. I'm already looking forward to it. Promise me one thing. What? Take care of your health.
I promise, doctor. I mean, friend.
Good.
Thank you for today, really.
See you this weekend.
See ya. Take care.
Hello, Emma speaking.
Hi, Emma. It's Emily.
Oh, so nice to hear you.
I hope I'm not disturbing.
Not at all. Not at all. I just finished work.
That's good. How are you feeling?
I'm fine now, really.
Good to hear. I have some news.
Oh, tell me quickly.
My husband's birthday is Saturday.
Wow, that's nice.
We're planning a small party, nothing big.
Sounds lovely. I want you to come.
Me? Really?
Of course, my best friend. I would love to come. And please bring your mom too. Emma, did I say something wrong? My father passed away. Oh, Emma, I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay. Really. It happened 2 years ago.
I feel really bad.
Please don't.
It was a sudden heart attack?
Yeah,
That must have been very hard.
it was. Very painful.
I understand. Why didn't you tell me?
We lost contact.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay now.
How is your mom?
She's stronger now, but she still misses him.
Of course. And you?
I try to help her stay strong.
You are strong.
Thank you. Please bring your mom on Saturday.
Are you sure?
Yes, she won't feel alone.
That's very kind of you.
We'll celebrate together.
My mom will like that.
So, what time?
Around 7 p.m.
Perfect. We'll come.
I'm really happy you agreed.
Me too. It'll be nice.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for coming.
See you Saturday.
See you. Take care.
You too. And take care of your mom.
I will. You're home.
Yeah, Mom, I'm really tired.
You look very tired.
It was a busy day today. Rubs forehead.
Was it hard?
Yeah, so many patients came in.
Sit down. Sit down. I'll bring you some water.
Thank you, Mom.
So, how was the hospital?
Long day. But something happened.
What happened?
I met Emma.
Emma? Really?
Yeah, my school friend.
After all these years?
Yes, at the hospital.
How is she?
She's doing well.
I still remember her.
You'll be proud. She's a doctor now.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful.
And she's married too.
That's lovely.
She invited us.
Me too?
Yes, Mom, you too. She insisted.
That's very kind of her. I told her about Dad.
You told her?
She didn't know.
It's okay.
She felt really sorry.
We'll go.
Really? Of course. I'm so happy. What should we take? Maybe flowers? Or a cake?
Good idea.
I'm excited. I still can't believe you're here.
I'm happy too.
So many years. Just gone. Like that.
Time flies.
You look so strong.
I try.
You know, you were like a mother to me.
And you were like a daughter to me.
Please, don't make me cry.
No tears today. It's a happy day.
Peaceful. Simple.
That sounds nice.
We support each other.
That's what matters.
Health is important, you know?
Yes, I've learned that.
Don't ignore it again.
I promise.
Looking around, your house is beautiful.
We decorated it together.
I can feel the love here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
So, you are Emma.
Yes, I'm Emma.
I heard about you.
Oh, really? I hope. Good things?
Mostly good stories.
Mostly. Funny ones, too?
Maybe a few.
Well, I know her school life.
Yeah, she told me she was a serious student.
Oh, not always true.
Really? Emily said she studied a lot.
That part is true. She was the topper.
But did she ever get into trouble?
Oh, yes. Many times.
Wait, seriously? Like what?
The library laughing incident.
In the library?
Yes, we laughed so loudly, the teacher punished us.
Wow, I can't imagine that.
Trust me, she was very different in school.
These are interesting stories.
Oh, I have many more.
You know, I think she was a little nervous meeting you today.
Yes, she told me that.
Really? Why?
Because of all the old stories.
Ah, now I understand.
But honestly, I'm really happy she's doing well now.
She talks about you a lot, you know.
That's really sweet.
We should meet again soon.
I'd like that.
Thank you for today.
No. Thank you for coming.
It really felt like the old days.
Yeah. Same here.
We should stay connected, you know?
Always.
No more distance, okay?
Promise.
Take care, Emily.
You too, Emma.
Good night.
Good night.